Hi everyone, Jen here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to make this Newman hat. This hat we will work from bottom up to the top. What you will need to make them is I use acrylic yarn and contrasting color yarn to be a marker, and a crochet hook size 6mm. Let's get. So to make the hat, we will start with making the band first by start with the slip knot and then chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then we're gonna make half double crochet in the next chain form hook. And then we're gonna make a half double crochet until the end of the row. Half double crochet, and half double crochet. And the last oneก็ make a half double crochet, and then we're gonna chain 1 and turn, chain 1 and turn your work, and then we will make half double crochet in the back loop only on the second row. Make a half double crochet. We're gonna continue to make a half double crochet until the end of the row. When you are at the end of the row, you will when you are at the last stitch, you make a chain 1, turn your work, and then we keep continuing until you got the length about this one, the length of the band. My one is measure around 23 inch, and then we're gonna join the band to make the circle. Okay, I will meet you after I joining the band already. So now I'm joining the band by single crochet, or you can join by slip stitch, up to you, which is your favorite crochet. And then we're gonna use contrasting color yarn to be a marker, so we know which position that we first start. And then we're gonna make a single crochet around the edge in each gap or each stitch. So I will meet you when I finish row 1. Now we are at the end of round 1. We single crochet, and then we're gonna start our first triangle stitch by chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and yarn over, pull through the loop on the first stitch. Now we have 3 loops on your hook, and then yarn over, pull through the loop on the next stitch. Now we have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop on the next stitch. Now we have 7 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the 7 loops. And then chain 2, 1, 2. Now we have our first triangle stitch. Then we're gonna start our second triangle stitch. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the last stitch of the triangle stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over, pull through the loop on the next stitch. Now we have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the next stitch. Now we have 7 loops on your hook, and then we're gonna yarn over and pull through all 7 loops on your hook and chain 2. 1, 2. This time we have complete our second triangle stitch. Now we're gonna I'm gonna example for the third triangle stitch. Yarn over, pull through the loop of the previous triangle stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through loop on the next stitch. Now we have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the next stitch. Now we have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops and chain 2. Now we complete our 3 triangle stitch. You're gonna make triangle stitch all around all around here until you are at the end of this one. I will meet you at the end of round 2. Okay, now we are at the end of round 2. of our first triangle stitch. On the next round, we're gonna make single crochet in each space. Here, but here's one single crochet. Here is a one single crochet, and here is a one single crochet and one single crochet. So we keep continuing to single crochet in each space. One single crochet, one single crochet, and one single crochet. We continue doing this until the end of round 3. I will meet you at the end of round 3 of single crochet. Now we are at the end of round 3. Then we're gonna start repeat round 2 by making a triangle stitch again by chain 3, and yarn over, pull through the loop at the first stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop at the next stitch. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop at the next stitch. Now you have 7 loops on your hook, and yarn over, pull through all 7 loops, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then we will keep continue to make a triangle stitch all around here. Keep doing it. So after you guys keep continue doing triangle stitch and single crochet on the each space, and triangle stitch and single crochet on the each space until you measure about my one is about 10 inch, and then you using the yarn needle. You leave long tail, very long tail, so you can use this one whip stitch to close up the gap of the head. So you just whip stitch along the edge of the top of the head to close the gap and sew up. Now we are finishing off the Newman head. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. I'm sorry for my English is not good. Maybe you don't understand enough, but I have the writing pattern on my blog and the detail of the yarn that I use. So happy crochet and see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye.